Hey Luke, Washington Rock.
Espera que Vox Y o Sutup. Oh sorry the F major squared class kick supu.
Everyone, hop on the Asco train. Oh my god! Oh my god! Quick, to the factory inside the Asco train.
Yes I killet the major class kick supu sirane at isera no.
Wait, who are you? Are this? My name is Two.
Yes, I think Siren has some from for me.
Yeah, I'm scared as evil Leafy. I want to need a story from me. Two and Frog and Monkey. They were in the fire scary forest I need. They can't be fires no more. The other friends are gonna be die. There's something how. There anyway something how. This is a virus. Yes, it is my fault to run a tree G major 1 plus is upon. Yeah, I think Siren Head to something else. But because the Siren Head is making louder and louder.
Every single day I gotta clean up the kitchen. Screaming every say it's for a ball of the dishes. And Julius remember, he's a monster I live with. That's the reason why I sleep, cause I just reached my limit.
Would be sound like that is crazy.
But what big kid got back to 0?
Ema we need to kill Sirenet.
Yes, need to kill Siren Head, for another again, for catemojibabyheat, Big Head Gummy Bear 2.0.
Oh my god, that's an idea!
Yes, I think Siren Head and Evil Leafy Sonando.
Because I hate Siren Head and Evil Leafy.
Yes, Melody. What is that about the Siren Head and Evil Leafy?
But because the Siren Head is a stupid idea.
What's that noise about?
Help me, we're stuck now. What the hell is that? I gotta get it.
How Super Red Bug, the finger, where are you? And Pink Leg, where are you? I want to solve it. Aha, there, yes.